What's up, Team Buckhouse? Johnathan Buckhouse here, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to ride a tow rope. So if you're from Colorado like me, you're used to riding high-speed 6-tier detachables, you don't really see a tow rope. But if you end up coming across one, or if you're from the Midwest or the East Coast, you're gonna be seeing a lot of tow ropes, and it's different than a chairlift, like a lot different. So there's 3 parts to riding a tow rope: grabbing the tow rope and getting onto the rope, riding the rope, and getting off of the rope. So let's go over some tips on how to get onto a tow rope. So first off, you want to be strapped in, clicked in your skis, whatever you're going to be doing. If you ski, this video could probably help you as well. But make sure you're strapped into your snowboard. You can go up 1 foot, but I prefer to go up with your 2 feet strapped in together. If you just show up to the mountain, you can do 1 foot, kind of get some momentum by kicking and then grab the rope. When you're grabbing the rope, if you approach the rope with some momentum, it's going to make it a lot easier to grab it because you'll catch up to the speed of the rope, grab it, and you'll be going the same speed as the rope. It's gonna be a super smooth grab. It's gonna feel so smooth and fluid. If you're at a dead stop, you're gonna have to just grab that rope because you're gonna have to catch up to the momentum of the rope. So if you're at a dead stop, get ready, get both hands, grab it as hard as you can with both hands. If you have loose grip, it's just gonna start feeding through your hands and you're never gonna get it. Fully commit to just grabbing that rope and it's gonna rip you up the mountain. Now when you're riding the rope, make sure you stay in line. You don't wanna be carving to the left, carving to the right. Mainly because it makes it hard for the people behind you to get on the rope or the ones that are already on the rope. It just makes a big mess. So stay in your lane, hold on to it, and you will want to maybe like sit on an edge. You are still snowboarding when you're going up the rope. So pay attention to that because catching an edge while on a tow rope has got to be terrible. I haven't done it. No way I have. Here's the clip. And it sucks, so don't catch an edge on a tow rope. Now getting off of the rope, something that I like to do is when I'm approaching the end of it, about 5 feet before I gotta let go, I start loading up the rope a little bit, like pulling against it, and then I slingshot myself off of it. It gives me some momentum to get away from the rope. If I'm just holding the rope and I let go, I just stop right next to the rope and I gotta wiggle away. So if you kind of load the rope a little bit, pull against it, and then slingshot yourself, you're gonna fly off the rope super nice, and then you're ready to do the run. The best part about tow ropes is it's lap after lap after lap. You don't have to unstrap, you don't have to strap in, but it will wear you out. Get ready for your hands, your arms, and your feet to be feeling it. But tow rope riding is super fun. It will help you become a better snowboarder if you can find a super sick tow rope to rip. So get out there, find a tow rope, have some fun, and I hope this video helped you. Now if it did, comment down below. What else do you guys need help with snowboarding? Should I make a how to get off a chairlift video? I have so many how-to videos on my how to snowboard playlist, so check it out. I've covered 180s, 360s, all types of snowboard tricks, frontside and backside. So check out that playlist. But if you want to learn how to snowboard from me, check out my summer camp that's going to be in June in Mount Hood in Oregon. You do have to be an adult, but it's an all-inclusive snowboard camp. Check it out. Check out the website. It's linked all down below. Lastly, if you want to support the dream, allow us to come to new places, make how-to videos, as well as our snowboard vlog, snag some Evolution merch. We have hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, the stickers. All of it, guys, is in the description if you do snag it. Tag me on Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, but also follow the Instagram. Forward. This thing is follow the Instagram so you guys can see bonus extra content. That snowboard tried to kill me. And with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving, and we'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no.
Big turkey, little turkey. Y'all ready for a ravioli roll?